Hello and welcome to the Invisible Witness setup tutorial. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Invisible Witness system, show you what it has in it and how to set it up. We see three things here. First is the base station itself. Next we have the wireless sensor antenna, and then we have the iridium antenna. There are 5 ports on the side. First we have the plug for the wireless sensor antenna. Then we have an external power port. Next we have a sensor port, a camera port, and finally an iridium antenna attachment. I'm just going to start by putting the iridium antenna into its attachment and then do the same thing with the wireless sensor antenna. In some situations, this is all you need for a base station. For example, if you are using the base station as just a satellite communicator listening to wireless sensors. I'm using a screwdriver to open up this base station, but there's also an option for a hand open flap. Let's take a look at the menu system. Press D to wake up. First off, test signals. You can send a test alert. If you notice, the blue LED lights at the top, and that it indicates that it's trying to send out a satellite signal. Since we're indoors, that won't happen, so we will cancel by pressing D. Similarly, we can go into a test check-in. Same function. This will actually send a test satellite message as in a test check-in. But in this case as well, we're going to cancel because we can't send from indoors. Next menu option is status. Under status, you can find useful information about your device. For example, current status on the first page indicates what type of sensor is attached, whether there's a camera, and things like the temperature. Clicking B to scroll down a page, you get latitude and longitude. You get date and time based on GMT. The third page has your IMEI number, the firmware version, and the device ID. Configuring a base station is pretty straightforward. There are 2 options. One is to set the local sensor type, as in the type that is attached, and the second is to clear the sensor pairings that you might have already set. In setting the sensor type, it's a matter of scrolling up and down using A and B and selecting which local sensor you have and selecting C to set that option. And that's it. When you're done with the menu system, you press D to exit and arm the system.